In this video, I will show you how to reset Wells Fargo password. So for that, first of all, open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo. Then click on this URL that appears. Then click on Sign On right beside this menu bar on the right. Now this page is where you log in if you already knew your username and password, but if you have forgotten it, what you can do is simply click on Forgot Username or Password. Now since you know your username, you can put in your username here, or you can give your social security number or ITIN, or simply put in your account number. Then click on Continue. After that, you will receive a verification code via text or email. From there, you can verify your account and you will also get the prompt to change your password from there. Simply change your password. After that, come back to the page. Then click on Sign On again. Then put in your username, your password, and you can log into your account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.